Here's a step-by-step guide to fix external speaker not working on a computer or laptop, Windows and Mac. This covers common hardware and software issues. Ensure the speaker is plugged into the correct port, usually green. If USB-powered or Bluetooth, confirm it's properly connected or paired. Try a different cable or port if possible. Make sure the speakers are powered on and volume is turned up. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, bottom right, click Open Sound Settings. Under Output, choose your external speaker from the list. Click Device Properties and test the device by clicking Test. Press Win+X, select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device, choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, choose Uninstall Device, then restart your computer. Windows will attempt to reinstall it automatically. Go to Settings, System, Sound. Scroll to Advanced and click Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems. Follow the on-screen instructions. Right-click the speaker icon, select Sounds, and then go to the Playback tab. Ensure your external speaker is set as the default device. Select it, click Set Default, and then OK. For wired connections, make sure to plug into the headphone jack or USB-C properly. For Bluetooth, go to System Settings, Bluetooth, and check if the speaker is connected. And don't forget to turn the volume up on both the speaker and the Mac. Alright, first, go to the Apple menu, then System Settings, and finally Sound. Under the Output section, go ahead and select your external speaker. You can also adjust the balance and volume sliders to your liking. Now let's open Terminal. You can find it in Applications, then Utilities. Once you're there, run the command sudo kill-all coriaudioed. You'll need to enter your password and press Enter. This will restart the audio service on your macOS. To reset the NVRAM, start by shutting down your Mac. Turn it back on and immediately hold down Option, Command, P, and R keys for about 20 seconds. After that, release the keys and let your Mac restart. Try using different speakers or headphones to confirm whether the issue is with the speaker or the computer. If the speaker doesn't work on another computer either, the speaker may be faulty. On Windows, use System Restore to revert to a previous state. On macOS or Windows, ensure the latest OS updates are installed. If you're still having trouble after this, let me know the exact model of your computer, operating system, and type of speaker, Bluetooth, USB, 3.5mm jack, etc., and I can provide more specific help.